Hello everyone, so Mr. Beast and my fans, welcome back guys into my another video, first video of today on our this C channel on 14 February 2025. Okay, but please like this video guys. I just want 3 likes on this video if you also watch my videos and Mr. Beast videos on my this C channel. Guys, Mr. Beast just dropped a new challenge. Okay, as you know guys, this is our first imagination adventure challenge story video of today on our this on my this C channel on 14 February 2025. Just picture this, imagine this, enjoy this. As you know, this is just a story guys. Hey guys, so Mr. Beast just dropped a new challenge, build a free shelter for abandoned farm animals with a whopping $1 billion on 14 February, okay, 2025. Mr. Beast build a free shelter for abandoned farm animals with a whopping $1 billion on 14 February 2025 on our this on my this cinema channel C channel on 14 February 2025. Mean Mr. Beast says, I mean, oh no, cows could be so high maintenance. Wow. Mr. Beast rolls up in a lambo surrounded by confused goats, and a very dramatic chicken named Cluckzilla. Cluckzilla, okay, Cluckzilla, you are all getting a mention. He shouts, but wait, there is a twist. Turns out the goats are actually expert negotiators. They demand organic they demand organic hay. They demand organic hay and wi-fi for their TikTok accounts. What is that? Why goat want wi-fi? So Mr. Beast, being the genius he is, decides to host a game show. Who want to be a farm animal? The winner gets a lifetime supply of gourmet feed and their own Instagram page. Chaos ensues as the animals compete in ridiculous challenges like synchronized swimming in mud puddles, and extreme hay bales, stacking. But just when it looks like the Cluckzilla is about to win, a rogue pig named Sir Oinks, OINKS, Sir win. Looks like Cluckzilla is about to win. A rogue pig named Sir Oinks a lot steals the spotlight with his epic dance moves. In the end, Mr. Beast builds an incredible shelter that looks like a five-star resort. The animals are living their best lives, and Cluckzilla, well, he is now a social media influencer with millions of followers. Wow, good lesson. So what is the lesson here, everyone? In my this first video of today on my this cinema channel on 14 February 2025. Never underestimate the power of farm animals and $1 billion challenge. Oh no, maybe next week Mr. Beast will build a rocket for squirrels. Stay tuned. Bye for now.